Hello everybody, today I'm going to be starting a new series called, Free Animal Noises. These are free. I make them myself. And you can use them. So, we're gonna be, starting off with a sheep. Meh! It's one more time for you. Meh! And on to the next animal. Okay guys, we are back. Here is the pig. On to the next animal. Okay, here we are with the snake. Let's just... Next animal. Here we are with the dog. Let's do the dog. On to the next animal. Here we are with the cow. Let's just... On to the next animal. Here we are with the chicken. So let's get into this. On to the next animal. Alright, here we are with the cat. Let's just, Meow! 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 Next animal. Alright, here we are with the frog. Let me just... Here we are with the hawk. Its name is Mike. Mike the hawk. There's many bird noises, but let's just do, Mike the hawk here. That was... Let me warm up my voice. Alright, next animal. Alright, there's plenty of birds. I don't know if I want to cover all of them, but let's just do this one here. Tweet! 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 Alright, here we are with the deer. This will be our last segment. I'll leave a link to this video. It's pretty interesting, I find. It's very educational. I think it's pretty funny, to be honest. It's not funny. It's something else. But here we are with the deer. This is kind of hard to do. Let's just... Deer. Deer, deer, deer. Deer.